Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts with a quick video for the cleaners out there watching this channel. If you're cleaning for a living, that's your livelihood. You're dragging around a lot of hoses during your workday. You got water supply hoses, you've got low pressure hoses, you've got high pressure hoses. I'm going to show you a trick that was shown to me many years ago. I'm sharing this with you because I'm convinced it'll help save somebody's shoulder who's watching this, okay? So look, you pull up to a job and you've got your hose reels and you got to stretch them out to the job site or to the spot where you're working. Down there. The temptation is to just grab the end of the hose and start walking with it, right? Like this. But what happens when that hose that you're dragging eventually gets caught on something? It'll eventually happen. It gets caught on something and then all of a sudden the hose stops, but you're still walking. Your arm goes this way, and what happens to your shoulder? Yeah. So what was shown to me many years ago and has saved my shoulders many times is this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically start walking backwards as I double set it. You can see what I'm doing. I'm going backwards. I'm watching where I'm going. But as I'm going backwards, I'm playing it out double like this. And I'm doing this obviously because if the hose gets caught on something and all of a sudden it stops while I'm moving, well, what happens to my arm? It goes up and my shoulder is well used to following my arm when it goes up. Going this direction is not dangerous. Going this direction is very dangerous. It's a silly little thing, but look, if you're gonna be in this game for a while, if this is your livelihood, every little trick makes a difference to take care of yourself. Hope that helps somebody.